Good evening, guys. Today we are going to talk about the topic nutrition and diet. What is health? Health can be simply defined as a person who have the potential to live his life happily, and that's how we can identify, how we can define without using any complex word. And this health can help us create good life. It can help us get money. It can help us earn money from somewhere else. And also through health, we're able to study here. So whether be it old or young, regardless of age of the persons, everyone needs health to sustain life. So how does health come from? And suppose you're a billionaire, millionaire, but if you often get sick, you will not be enjoying your life, right? So the main problem is health, and this can change someone's behavior. Yes, it changes. Nobody say no. Everyone gets sick since childhood at least once. So consider yourself during the moments you are living with difficulties. There were a lot of times you suffered with diarrhea or any diseases, which can help you make stay at home. And there are also some diseases which prevent us from eating what we wanted. This is how diseases or sickness prevented us from doing our will. So, how to do our will and how can we fulfill what we want? The main reason is health. So, this health can be derived from what we do every day. So, our usual routine can be very helpful as we seek for good health. And the other word, diet. Health and diet goes together. Suppose a person goes to gym, and if he knows what to eat, and then eventually he will come up with a good shape with his body. But the persons who do not maintain diet and who is not aware of the diet that needs to be maintained while going to the gym, so he may not overcome the overcome his desire, that is to shape his body as he wanted. To make your body fit and fine, you need to control your diet. That is number one. And today, when we look at our society and our environment, I think none of us can maintain health and none of us can maintain diet, right? So what does diet means? After 2 days chicken, after 3 days meat, and after 3 days pork, and the schedule goes on. This is how the simplest way to express how diets are important and how diets to be maintained. But as we seek, as we employed, as we earn daily wages, it is absurd for us to get the accurate diet every day. But at least there are some important points that we can do, which is quite affordable to one and all. Number first thing, drink water every morning. This can change your and this can help the excretion process done by the kidneys. Because when the excretion happens, the kidneys tries to excrete the waste materials that has been produced because of the flow of the blood pressure and because of the exchange of oxygen and carbon dioxide. And eventually, it has come to conclusion that the waste materials should be flown out with the help of NS or urine as urine. And this is how the system of or excretory done by the kidneys. To make it facilitate, in order to facilitate the excretion process, we need something which is called water. As the predictions of the doctor, for those who have more water in their body, the excretion process becomes easier. So as doctor has prescribed what is good for health, we need to maintain drinking water every morning, noon, and evening in order to facilitate the excretion process. Number two, eat less oily foods. There are many diets we eat in our day-to-day life, but we cannot predict that. It is good to eat everything though. It is okay to eat once, twice in a week junk food and oily foods, but not 4 times in a day or 4 times in a week. This can change, this can affect the excretion process. Not only that, but also the digestion system, which is which can be disrupted if oily foods are consumed too much. So there is there are 2 points I've mentioned. These are the points that I need to discuss in today's topic. As we have come to the end of the topic, we cannot afford, we cannot maintain diet to maintain good health. So what can we do? At least we can drink more water, and eventually we can also prevent ourselves from eating too much junk food and too much of oily foods, which are responsible for causing problems in our body. So these are the points that we just need to remember. And more important points, I think we can go on googling what we need to do in order to gain health in everyday life. Thank you.